DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter Starters Backpacker Bundle. Our DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter drone boasts a 3-axis stabilized gimbal camera with a 2MP, 1 CMOS sensor capable of shooting up to 4K, 60 FPS video and well as photo bursts at up to 14 FPS. The hull has been updated from the previous Phantom 4 drone camera, now featuring magnesium alloy construction for increased rigidity and reduced weight. The flight autonomy system adds dual rear vision sensors plus infrared sensing for a total of 5 directions of obstacle sensing and 4 directions of obstacle avoidance. Starter package includes DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter, DJI Remote Controller, Transmitter, Intelligent Flight Battery Charger, a C cable for charger, 4X945 OS Quick Release Propellers, Foam Case, Gimbal Clamp, Lexar 16GB 633X Micro SD Card, Micro USB Cable, USB OTG Cable, Soft Padded Backpack, Landing Gear Stabilizers, Black, Transmitter Lanyard, Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.